With multiple locations, Genesys Industries is a leading vertically integrated contract manufacturing company providing precision machining and fabrication services. From print to part, prototypes to high-volume production, Genesys Industries provides high-quality parts and components. Genesys Industries has ensured short lead times for any size order while consistently maintaining 98% error-free production. Yup, we're human too. But the pride is not only in advanced manufacturing solutions. Genesys Industries provides dedicated project managers from start to finish, providing personalized client service. A family-owned company fully committed to providing the highest quality advanced manufactured product. Genesys Industries offers a unique blend of traditional service and modern technology that is hard to find in today's industry. What sets us apart from other companies is our contouring capability using the latest equipment and technologies. Believe us, you won't find it anywhere else. It is our pride and joy. And listen, that's not all. I know, there's more. When you entrust your work to us, we closely guard your intellectual property and actively ensure your privacy. We can guarantee a level of confidentiality that is simply unavailable when outsourcing overseas. We're locked down tighter than the government. Not even WikiLeaks could get access. Are there other companies who do what we do? Probably. Will they undersell us? Possibly, but the difference is that Genesys Industries delivers high-quality products that will meet all your expectations. You deal with a friendly, customer-focused company while benefiting from the latest CNC advances. Genesys Industries quality is ISO 9001-2008 certified, manufacturing product from exotic alloys to plastics. We can do it all. Genesys Industries can help you achieve your product manufacturing dreams. Genesys Industries. Sales at genesysindustries.com. www.genesysindustries.com. Follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn.